So let's look at the structure of silver as gold is moving, silver is moving. But I think this time around, silver might outperform gold. And looking at it from the place of affordability and complex industrial application, silver is promising and showing strong reliance, and that leverage could give silver an edge with time. So this is technically what I see, and I don't know if you're seeing the same. So now this is my floor, a weekly time frames floor. So on that floor, we had an interchange. ROS resistance becomes support and breaker structure, and SR. That is support become resistance and breaker structure. I've gone on to print another SR level, and that has given birth to a trend line. Remember, the strategy is to allow the market create structure. Allow it, allow it. Leave it alone until it creates a structure. And this is also another SR, very simple. And this is the first RT on that breaker structure. And you have seen that now we want to clone the floor to look at the level of accuracy in the price action. And that is actually correct, 100%. Now the next thing we want to see, it's another gauge on the price action, and which is also correct on the M structure, a double top structure. This is the neckline, break out of neckline, retest 1, sell, retest 2, sell, retest 3, break off a neckline. So trading is simple depending on your approach, depending on your strategy. So if you are using too much grammar and you aren't comprehending it, then I wish you good luck. So that's a double top structure. That's a double top structure. So this is an SR. So this is an RS structure. Another RS. Is another RS after break of a demand floor. A double top structure. And you have another price there, RS. Break of RS level makes here demand floor. So if we are having a potential pullback, I want price to return into this structure for a buy. So I will not want to label it. I want to see when price is coming back and the day. Then it will be easier for me to use my vertical rule. So there becomes my demand floor. On daily time frame. So a breakout from here will be watched And to further cement the price action, you see the market, before it does anything, will give you a structure. So oftentimes when some of us say fake out, no, there is nothing like fake out in the market. Market adopted a new pathway because it is designed to be that way. It never does one thing straight, and it looks at cumulative decision and counters it. That is how new money is born, through counter, invalidation of analysis. That is how new money is born. So we have RS1, RS2, break of RS level, make sure demand floor price came retested. After the retest in the month of June, we have seen that silver uptick at this level on retest to a broken supply roof. So I think we can keep a clean chart if we want. And at the moment, it's okay. Let's keep a clean chart so that we don't look stupid before people. So I'm going to settle with this, and I think I'm okay with it. So the next thing you want to see is price consolidate within this range. So most likely the market will open in correction, where you will see a sell after tapping into area of supply. You might get that as the market opens. You might see a retracement. Yes, it's possible. And from there, we can now move up, break the structure, because silver still have room for uptick. There is room for uptick for silver. There is room. So this is also possible that price will come into that ascending trend line while keeping higher high, higher low, characteristics of uptrend for bullish continuation. So we could get that a push here, and if we come there, then we'll go up. And because of the nature of market, if we break out from this trend line, then we'll sell down. At least our first layer tick will be here. I have a strong structure at this level. There is a very strong structure at this level, which should be able to hold price. Should the sentiment change and market is selling off on the interest rate hike. Let us say they increase interest rate. Let us say in a case like that, which I think is unlikely. This is where this guy should come. It should come here. And even in the absence of that, we also have another structure. This structure is similar to what we had in gold. The structure is similar. So here we have a double confluence buy idea at this level. So if price comes here, honestly, that will be a good time to buy. That will be a good time. So we're watching it. We have here as a RS level, and we have another RS level, and we have here as a SR level, and we have a breakout structure. Price returns here as a SR, and another SR. So that makes here a double confluence buy floor, making here a demand floor in the future. So if price comes there, feel free to buy. So I'll be watching it so that it will do whatever it wants to do. We are at a place where we don't care what the market does. I'm exactly at that place right now. I don't care what market does, whether the market move up or the market move down. I don't care about where it moves, because whichever direction you are right, all you need is don't get stuck. If it goes in the wrong direction against your analysis, you come out and look at the direction and assess it if you are going or not. Silver. That was a beautiful structure for silver. I'm going to lie you. That was a beautiful structure for silver.